Okay, I want to show you guys how to download Visual Studio and start using it. Okay, first things first, put in Google Visual Studio. You're going to come to Visual Studio IDE and Code Editor for Software Developers, the most comprehensive IDE for .NET and C++ developers on Windows. Okay, so from this page right here, you can just click Free Visual Studio because I'm on Windows. Okay, so Visual Studio Community, free download, Visual Studio for Mac, free download, Visual Studio Code. So what we're going to do is we're going to download Visual Studio Community. And then you're going to open. You're going to click yes. You're going to continue all the way through and it's going to install. Okay, this is the Visual Studio installer and it takes a while to install. Okay, once it's installed, you hit launch. And then you come to this screen. So from this screen, you need to go to open a project or solution. Oh, no, wrong thing. You need to click on create a new project. And I run it as a console app. So you click this one and then you hit next. And then you can name it whatever you want. Let's name it CA1. Okay, and it's going to go into your repos. So in your C drive. So remember this. This is very important for you to remember where it's located, because in order to do certain things like encrypt files or do certain things with certain files, it needs to be in that location with it in order to change it. So very important to know. So hit create. Now we are in CA1 and it already has the main for you. I kind of like my main to be like that. And then you put your code right there. And then you put your libraries up here. So you have your code in there. You go up to debug and then start debugging in order to run it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.